Hello, my name is Pamela Thurman, and I'm a student at Athens State on my master's program. And I just want to talk about career and technical education and a little bit of what it offers so everyone has just a little insight. What do we want? Well, our goal is to get every student prepared for college and or career, that every student that graduates high school will be prepared for college or the workforce or just the everyday life, adulthood. How do we plan on doing that? Well, we start in secondary level CTE with middle school and high school. Then we go to dual enrollment, some high school students that want to take classes while they're in high school, college credit classes. And then you go to the post-secondary level CTE so that they can get in and earn a degree and get some work experience and know if the field they're going into is really what they want to do. CTE, what is career and technical education? Well, is it an alternative or is it a way to college? Um, Back years ago, when vocational education was what was the program then, it was alternative to college. It was a way for students that just wasn't college material. They would go to vocational ed and take your low end classes like for cosmetology, welding, um, childcare, the ones that didn't offer a whole lot of money, but just because they wasn't college material and getting a degree wasn't an option for them. You had a lot of minorities and low income students that your vocational ed would target. Um, is career technical education, is it gender based? No, you have your female degrees like nursing is what it's always been thought of, but that's just not it anymore. You have a lot of males going into nursing. You have a lot of females going into welding, um, into industrial maintenance. So no, it's not gender based anymore. It's for all students. Making the world a better place. Yes, I feel like CTE is making the world a better place. It's preparing our younger generation to go into the work field, to fill them jobs that your older generation they're retiring, they're leaving. So this is a way to get those jobs filled, to get our young generation prepared for the world so they can support themselves, their families, and be happy and be successful. We start at secondary level CTE and in your middle schools and your high schools. Um, all the schools around here, I know Decatur City School, you'll hear from the person that's the supervisor over their program that it's becoming a big thing. The schools are offering more, the students are taking more. There's an increase in your middle schools and high schools for career and technical education now. There's 16 career clusters, and they go from agriculture to business to welding, um, just whatever that they can look at and decide is the career they want to go into. Alabama has a success program for career and technical education that the parents and the students can look at. They can see what they're interested in. They can take the courses so they know that that's really what they want to do. And it's not like it was in our time where you would go get a job or go get a degree thinking that's what you wanted to do. And once you did it, that's really not what you were interested in. It wasn't what you thought it was. This is the way to get that hands-on experience so you know what you're doing and if that's what the way you really want it to go. Dual enrollment. What is dual enrollment? Well, dual enrollment is for high school students a way for them to earn college credits while they're in high school. They can take these during their elective periods. Um, these courses that they take and earn will go towards your high school graduation and it will go towards their college transcripts. So once they get out of high school, they could be a year or more into their 2 year degree just by taking these classes. But it is the responsibility of the parents or the students to pay for the classes. You receive financial aid, Pell Grant, or loans where you're taking dual enrollment. So you have to be a high school graduate before you're eligible for any kind of financial aid. Post-secondary education level. Um, these are programs at the 2-year college level that you offer hands-on experience while earning a degree. Um, we have a very big program here at Calhoun. We've got different courses. I'll talk a little bit about them, but this is just a way to earn a degree and get that hands-on experience that you need before you hit the workforce. Calhoun Community College, their programs, the Calhoun Nursing Program, excellent, excellent program, excellent staff. Their RN program is 92.13% passage rate, and their LPN program is 100%. So we have an excellent staff at Calhoun that does a wonderful job with these nursing students. It's a tough program, but it's their passage rate is above the state and national average, so it is a good program. Fame. Fame is a good program. We have a lot of good partnership with Sunoco, Snap-on, Toyota, Huntsville Hospital, and this program is just wonderful. They can earn up to 33,500 while taking the classes towards their degree. They can get that hands-on experience, the work experience they need. Now, it doesn't guarantee them a job once they graduate, but they have a step up because they have experience. They have been working there, so they know what's going on in the plants, like Toyota, Sunoco. They know them and they know what kind of job they can do. There's only 15 chosen for each program, so it's a tough program, but it's a good program. We have some other programs, cooperative learning programs at Calhoun. Redstone Federal Credit Union just opened a branch on campus. You will hear from Rebecca Evans later. She will talk about the program, Lockheed Martin, 3M, Nucor, NASA. So these are some excellent opportunities for the students. Calhoun also has a pilot summer program. They partnered with Ford Motor Company and Woody Anderson. This is targeted for 7th and 8th grade boys and girls. They will learn a little bit about the career of automotive, which is the rise in North Alabama right now. So this is a good program. They'll have hands-on experience with combustion engines, diagnostics, electric hybrid vehicles. They'll also take a field trip to NASA. So this is a good program. Like I said, it's a pilot, so we'll just see how it goes and see if it's a success. Why Calhoun Community College? Well, we're the largest of the 2-year institutions, and our programs are excellent. Um, Students could be looking to expand their current skills or just get a certificate. You don't want a degree, you want to get a certificate and go right to work. Or if you're already in one career path and you think you want to explore another one, it's an excellent way to do it. Calhoun has a program that will fit all students' needs. Our workforce solution staff are wonderful. Here's their number. Here is their email address. Have any questions, give them a call. They'll be glad to help you answer it. The capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is a choice. That's what we offer at Calhoun with Career Technical. We give them the ability, the willingness. Help them with their choices. We give them experience in the workforce. It helps them be successful. It helps them learn a skill so they can support themselves and their family. I hope you enjoyed this program. I hope you learned a little bit about it. If got any questions, we've got several people here tonight that can answer that. And I hope everybody has a good afternoon. Thank you.